Okay, we're going to try and graph this one here. Before I can graph this inequality, I want it to be in the form that I'm used to, so I have to factor out that 2. Okay, so when I do that, remember what it's going to look like. Y is greater than or equal to -2, absolute value. I have to force factor out a 2. I know I can't usually take it out of a 1, but I can if I do x minus what? 1/2. If you multiply that back in, you will get 2x minus 1, which is exactly what's there. So I have to force factor out that 2, and don't forget you have this minus 1 on the end. Okay, once I've done that, now I'm going to split this apart, because now I have a product in there. So I'm going to have -2 times the absolute value of 2 times the absolute value of x minus 1/2 minus 1. Well, I know the absolute value of 2 is just 2, so 2 times -2, I'll get a -4 right there. Absolute value x minus 1/2, and then minus 1. Now it's in a form that I can graph. Where will my vertex be? If you've got this, where's your vertex going to be? You got it. Positive 1/2, comma, -1, right?
Yeah.
Positive 1/2, -1. So 1/2, -1, going to be right there. And then I just follow the slope for the right-hand branch, a -4. So I'll go down 4 over 1. Do the same thing for the other side. Solid or dotted to connect these. Solid this time. Oh, it's not very good. There we go. And where do I shade if y is greater than? Yeah, everything above this. So that's really as hard as these get. It's just sometimes you have a fraction in there. 1/2 isn't so bad, but even in the last one we had 2/3. You just got to force it out. And then your vertex just isn't going to be on a lattice point, but that's okay. Any questions about graphing the absolute value with inequalities? We're good?